Lord, we come with open hearts, broken, tired, but you still love us. In every battle you stand for us. When we are weak, you make us strong. Tinokupaimbi baba vekudenga, makati simbarata mupenyu kwese. You fight for us when we cannot see. Your mercy covers our destiny. We give you honor, we give you glory. Wariwerenga tinokudai, tinokupaimbi baba vekudenga. For life, for love, for all you provide. We worship you, we lift your name. Hallelujah, you remain the same. Tinokupaimbi baba vekudenga. Forever faithful, forever king. In the midnight you are our light. When fear comes, you give us peace. You protect us from every harm. Under your wings, we are safe. Wariwedu tinokutendai. For health and strength you give each day. Even when we don't understand, you hold us steady in your hand. We give you honor, we give you glory. Wariwerenga tinokudai, tinokupaimbi baba vekudenga. For life, for love, for all you provide. We worship you, we lift your name. Hallelujah, you remain the same. Tinokupaimbi baba vekudenga. Forever faithful, forever king. Break every chain, Lord, set us free. From hidden wars we cannot see. Tichengete baba masikati ne usiku. Your blood speaks victory over us. Ooh, we kneel before your holy throne. No other God, you are alone. Tinokupai moyo yedu yese. Take all the glory, take all the praise. We give you honor, we give you glory. Wariwerenga tinokudai.